Harley Davidson has put out some new parts, and today we are going to go over them. What's up, guys? My name is Miles. Welcome back to the channel. Harley has decided to do a little co-branding thing with a company called Rezoma. I believe they are an Italian company, so they are working together to make some parts. There are some mirrors that they've made and some grips. So I'm going to show you those in a few. But there is quite a few things that Harley's decided to put out as far as parts. They've put out some wheels, some new air cleaners, new grips, mirrors, and most importantly, they've put out some new stage kits. So before, they were making the 131 kit only for the touring models, and now they've made a 131 crate for the softail models, as well as I believe a 119 kit for the 107s, a 122 kit for the 114s, and I believe that they're doing the what was I talking about? Okay, so yeah, they're doing the 131 for the softails now. If you haven't seen already, Blockhead's put a 131 in his Lowrider S. So I'm just gonna go over these things, kind of make you guys familiar with them. Put out some Seismic wheels for the Fat Boy, which look pretty good. They put out some new wheels for the Dyna and a few other models. But really, the air cleaners, the new Elite air cleaners, look pretty cool, and they are a little bit pricey. On my way to work right now, but yeah, I've got a couple of the Elite air cleaners there, so we're gonna look at those in person, and then I'm gonna show you guys everything else that they are releasing. I'm not a big fan of the grips. You'll see here in a little bit, I'm not a big fan of the grips. The mirrors, they look pretty cool, I guess. The stage kits is where the money's at. So, you know, if you wanted to bump your 107 up to a 119, you totally can do that now, or to even a 131. I forget if you have to get the whole crate or if there's a kit for it. So we're gonna look here in a little bit, but it's just exciting that they're putting parts out. I think they've got some new foot pegs too. Like, they were like the foot pegs that were designed for the live wire, and they've made them for certain models. So it's not like a lot of stuff, but some pretty big stuff. And we are yet to see any 2021 bikes yet from Harley Davidson. I do know the colors and the paint schemes that are planned for 2021. I don't know if I'm like able to tell you guys them. I don't think I'm allowed to, but they look and sound pretty awesome for next year. I can tell you that the Lowrider S has a new color coming out, and I am super excited to see that color on the Lowrider S. But yeah, we're just gonna go over these parts, these new parts that Harley's released to us, and luckily I get to show you firsthand in person, you know, what they look like and everything. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, do whatever you want to do. Really helps me out. If you don't know who I am, my name is Miles. I'm a parts specialist at Independence Harley Davidson, Charlotte, North Carolina, and I make YouTube videos about Harley Davidson motorcycle stuff. and other stuff too. As you can see, I'm on Harley Davidson's website and I'm in the parts section, and I've gone to new arrivals and I've put in my model 2020 Street Bob here, and these are all the new parts that they've released for that model. And you can see here we've got the Elite air cleaner and some new Seismic rotors, the 107 to 119 kit, and here's the Rizoma handlebars, the Rezoma handlebar grips. You can see they're pretty slick looking. Not my cup of tea. I want to see them in person first to see how they are. I mean, I'm not hating on them, but they look pretty good. The f do you want?
Do you?
So yeah, you got the 131 crate and chrome, looks like a 131 crate and black, gloss black for the Softail Milwaukee 8s, and then you got the new Rizoma Mirrors here, and that's what they look like. Definitely a different design. You can see they got the Harley Davidson logo here by Rezoma down on the arm there. And we got some foot pegs. Here are the foot pegs. Passenger foot pegs, they say. They look alright. And that's just for the 2020 Street Bob. So if I were to clear the bike section out, it would show everything that there is. So I would suggest going on Harley's website if you're interested in putting in your model, make, and seeing what new parts are going to be available for your bike. So there's a list of them. There's the new Seismic 21-inch front wheel. That thing looks mean. Looks awesome. We've ordered a couple of these things, and all I've gotten so far are the air cleaners. So yeah, let's go open up the air cleaner and take a look at it. So I'm sitting here comparing the Screamin Eagle Heavy Breather air cleaner to the new Heavy Breather Elite air cleaner. So Harley is saying that there is a 15% increase in airflow improvement from the prior Heavy Breather air cleaner to the new Elite air cleaner, and that this was redesigned to support engine builds pushing over 135 horsepower. We got Mr. Joe Diaz washing the Street Bob. Damn, you already did it? Oh man, you're the man. Oh yeah. Jeez. Matter of minutes. This guy is a magician. Holy shit, bro. Yeah. Alright. So clean. So clean. Say hi, Brandon. Say hi, Brandon. Alright. Just my luck, I get the bike washed today and it is raining. I mean, it's not raining hard, but it's raining. Just my luck. So I'm about to head out of work. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thanks for watching my videos. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that like button. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Keep the rubber side down. Later.